RHS Pre-calculus presents right triangles. Help! Someone, please help!
What's wrong?
My apartment's on fire and the firemen don't know what length the ladder should be to reach me.
Hey, fireman, how far are you from the building?
20 feet, and the height of the building is about 11.5 feet,
What angle is the ladder elevated off of the ground?
about 30 degrees.
Well, that's easy. You have a right triangle.
What's a right triangle?
A right triangle is a triangle with one 90-degree angle. An angle has an opposite side, adjacent side, and a hypotenuse, labeled A, B, and C accordingly. Since the fireman is 20 feet away from the building, and the building is about 11.5 feet tall, you can use the Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, to find the length of the ladder needed. A and B are the sides of the triangle touching the 90-degree angle, and C is the length of the hypotenuse. You could also use a different method using SUKA-TOA to find the length of the ladder needed. The S in SU stands for sine of an angle, which equals opposite over hypotenuse. C in Ka stands for cosine of an angle, which equals adjacent over hypotenuse. T in TOA stands for tangent of an angle, which equals opposite over adjacent. All this put together creates SUKA-TOA. A third way to solve this problem is to recognize that this is simply a special triangle.
What's so special about it?
Well, there are different types of special triangles. Special triangles are triangles with known side ratios. One type of special triangle possesses the angles of 90 degrees, 45 degrees, and 45 degrees. Another type possesses 30 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees, which is the special triangle we will be using for this equation. By using these ratios, we can simply multiply the height of the building by 2 to find the length of the ladder needed, which is 23 feet. Or, to double check this, we could use the Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. A in this equation is 11.5 feet, b in this equation is 20 feet, and the unknown is c. 11.5 feet squared plus 20 feet squared equals 532.25. The square root of this equals 23 feet, about 23 feet, which is the same thing. Just to make sure, you can also use the law of cosine and sine. The sine of an angle equals adjacent over the hypotenuse. By using this, you can solve for x, which also equals 23 feet. With the special triangle, with the Pythagorean theorem, and the laws of cosine, you're able to determine that the length of the ladder needed is 23 feet.